Morning, folks. The calm before the storm. I don't know what's going on here, but we're under a severe storm threat for the whole Northeast. That includes New England. Right now, we're looking at this storm clouds to the south of us, and I mean they're coming. It either looks like they're going southeast or they're coming straight for us. It is almost 8 o'clock here in Pittsfield, and that's what's going on. Probably gonna get some good storm footage today if I play my cards right. So be watching, everybody. Stay safe and be careful out there with the heat and storm threats going on. Peace out.